Well, hello, my lovelies. I thought it's about time we made a corsage pin. The war is won, you know, and we need to really dress up nicely for our boys coming home from the war. I found a few items to draw around and a few scraps of fabric. We're making do and mending, aren't we, just like always? So draw around your biggest cup. We want 3 different shapes, 3 different sizes, and then cut out. I'm cutting really quickly here, but you go as slowly as you need to. It doesn't matter if it's perfect or not. Flowers are what we're making and they're not perfect. Do your red and then do your other 2 colours. It doesn't need to be the same colours as mine. You choose your own colours. I've done lots of different examples and I'll show you at the end of this video. Now, let's make them a bit more petal shaped. We don't want them to be complete circles, do we? I'm going to draw a heart on mine, just to make that nice bumpy shape of petals. And I think the heart is the thanks that we feel for the men that have been out on the war, fighting for us and our country. God blimey, it'd be nice to have them back, won't it? Now, you cut carefully again, but once that's done, you'll see we've got something that looks a bit more like a flower. Cut out the other 2 shapes. And they can be any shape you like, don't forget. You could add leaves to yours if you wanted to. I didn't on this one. Now, if you wanted to, you could put a button there in the middle, but I'm choosing this time just to use a bit of yellow. I want that stamen in the middle to be 3D. I want it to stick out. I think it'll look more like a pretty flower. What do you think about the red colour? I thought it would match my lipstick. I'm going to be ever so excited. We're going to celebrate. We're going to have a street party, in actual fact. I've got a needle and thread here. You might need help with the needle because it's got a sharp end on it. Get a knot tied in the bottom and then make a couple of stitches. And then you want to put your stamen onto your flower, and this is going to hold all of the petals together so they don't come undone. It doesn't really matter what your stitches look like. You're not really going to see them. And if you do see them, it doesn't matter at all. Just getting it done is important. I think when I finish mine, I'm going to put it onto a safety pin and then it will pin onto my dress. That's what a corsage is. It's some flowers that can pin onto your dress or you can have around your wrist. Make sure you knot it off nicely. You'll see I'm going through the loops. And there, you've done. Here's a few more I've made. It's your turn. Good luck and happy VE Day.